Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a plan with me. I'm actually going to be playing the week of April 23rd through the 29th, and I'm going to be using this sticker set from, I think it was, I don't remember the name of it. It just has a double S on it. So here are the full boxes, the headers, a functional page, labels or half boxes, or I have no idea what that is. The full check boxes, the washi page, and then the little things. And then I'm also going to be bringing in tons of just foil. So this is going to be definitely a heavy foil plan with me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the washi and be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the washi, and I put the plainer washi that was here just to kind of break that up a little bit and to bring in just a little bit more color. I'm going to go ahead and do the date covers, and I'm going to be using this darker gray with the gold foil, and these are from Rose Colored Daze. And the date dots I'm going to be pulling in are from Dash of Sun Designs. So let me go ahead and put those in and be right back. Okay, so now I think what I'm going to do is go and put in my full boxes. And then once I do my full boxes, I will do headers. And for headers, I'm going to be pulling. They are from Wild Summer Designs. She actually just started out with foil, so I'm going to be using these gold foiled ones from hers. So let me speed right through this. Okay, so as you can see, all the glitter, all the headers are foiled. I did them all in the gold foil. And then I think I'm going to work next is on my sidebar. And if my cat comes into frame, I apologize. She's feeling a lot better. She had surgery last week, so she's feeling a little bit better. And I did ruin one of these, and I'm not sure if I should pull it up. I've got plenty. So what I think I'm going to do is pull this one up because I don't like it. I scratched it a little and I took off some of the foil. So I'm going to take it off and put it on a different one, or put in a different one, just so that I feel better. There. It's not perfect, but it'll do. So I'm going to work on my sidebar, and I'm going to actually put in a glitter header, or I'm so used to saying a glitter header, a foiled header here. And I'm going to get 2 habit trackers. Let's see. Oh, this kit doesn't come with habit trackers. I did not notice that. So let's see. Making sure I don't miss it. It's actually here and I'm just missing it. No. Okay, so it's got no habit trackers and just these full boxes. So let me pull a couple of habit trackers. The dilemma is whether I want to go with foiled ones or if I want to just do plain. So let me see what I find. Okay, so I think I have decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the habit trackers from Courses Creations, and then I'm going to use a gray and a purple weekly habits from Wild Summer Designs, and I think that might actually work. So let me go ahead, and I think I'm going to use this lighter purple. So I think the lighter purple works better than this darker purple. So let me go ahead and put this in, and a gray. Put the gray first. Here. Like so, and then one is going to be for medication. I think I have sticker for that. Okay, so I have these from Arctic Paper Studio, and these just say medication reminder on it. And I think I'm going to put that right in here. So let me bring it just a little bit closer so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'll put this here for my medications, and then this one is going to be for no spend. And then I think what I'm going to do is, because I'm pretty sure I've got enough room for just headers, instead of putting in another washi, I think I'm going to use these since these are the only things I've got. And I'm going to use this gray for the purple and this purple for the gray. So we'll put this here. And this is going to be for dinners. I'm going to use this weekly habit there, and I'll put this purple one down here. with I think I'll use this gray one. And yeah, we'll just do that. That fits perfectly. And so to label those, put these to the side so I know I've finished using them. And then for the dinners, where'd my dinner sticker go? I'm going to use these from Formless Designs. I'll use this one. This is dinner. Right there. And for work, I'm going to use a work header. Not a work header, a work script to track my hours. And I'm going to use these from Arctic Paper Studio. These are very delicate, so I don't want to break it. Put that here. I thought I had dinner ones in gold, but turns out I only bought it in silver, and so I'm kind of mad at myself for doing that. But oh, you didn't even see that. Here we go. So there's that there. Let me bring out just a little bit. Okay. So now, let's see, I've got my sidebar done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in all of my flags, my check flags, and I'm going to be using check flags from Wild Summer Designs. And they're these in gold. So I'm just going to put those for every day because this is what I use to track my blood pressure every day. So I think I'm going to put this up here. And I'll just alternate them every day. So now that I've done that part, what I think I'm going to put in next is my weekend banner. And I apologize if my voice is changed a little bit. I just had a little coughing fit. The new medication that I'm on makes me cough a lot. And I've been trying to do things so that it's not as bad. But it's just not working. So, well, I really picked a... Oh, here it is. I was like, man, I couldn't even find the weekend banner. I couldn't find anything in this kit. All right, so it's a smaller weekend banner. So I think, boy, that really is a small weekend banner. I think I'm going to put it down here or up here. I think I'll put it down here. It'll do. It'll do down there. All right, so now we're going to go day by day. So let's see. Actually, let me write down no spend so I don't forget what it is that I put this down for. Because I have a tendency to do that. Okay, so Monday. Let's bring it just a little bit closer. Okay, so Monday, this way. Nah, we'll just do it this way. So Monday I have a half day off on Monday. And I also have an infusion that I have to do. And we can't all forget that it's Coffee Monday on top of that. So let's see. I'm going to grab one of these. And I know I have coffee cups in here somewhere. Okay, so we have coffee cups, and I think instead of using a label, I'm going to use a flag. And I'm going to use these flags from Arctic Paper Studios. And these are the monochromatic confetti flags. And I think I'm just going to use gray, since I don't want everything to be all purple. Put this here. My voice is cracking. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to grab a coffee cup from here, and I'm just going to grab this little purple one here for Coffee Monday, of course. And then I do have a half day off. Oh, look, I wonder if these were supposed to, no, those are just regular labels. Okay, so I have a half day off. And I also have to do an infusion. So for the half day off, I'm going to use this label here. Right there. And I'm going to bring in these day off scripts. These are from Sara Elizabeth prints. And these are amazing quality. Let me tell you, they're so beautiful and delicate. I like the little script on these. So I'm going to put that here. Right there. I'm going to put half day. So I know it's just a half day off that I'm taking. And then I'm going to grab a label, and I'm going to grab one of these labels, and I'm going to use a solid colored label, I think. So I'm going to use the darker purple. Put that here. And it's 2 o'clock. I've got an infusion. An iron infusion. Should only take an hour from what the doctor says, but I know I'll probably be there like 2 hours. So, and then I'm also going to use these stethoscopes from Magic Prints Co. I cannot say stethoscopes. It's probably one of the hardest words for me to say. So I'll put that here, since I do have to go to the hospital for that. And I'll put it in here right 2 p.m. Iron infusion. So that I don't forget, even though I won't forget. So that is everything that I have so far for Monday. On Tuesday, I'm going to be working a lot since I'm going to be catching up on work. So I'm going to use one of these. I think I'll use this darker purple half box here. Put that here. Too big for there. Put it here for work. And I'm going to put one of these from Magic Prints Co. And this is just like a little desk. So me working a lot at work. And then it's also trash day. So I think I'm going to use one of these labels. And I'm also going to use an icon. These are again from Magic Prints Co. And I think I'm just going to cover, I'm going to use this label here with the little exclamation point. And then I'm going to cover the exclamation point with the trash can. So then I know trash needs to be taken out on Tuesday morning. And then also I've got a bill due, which I don't think this has bill dues in there. Let me check. Nope, no bildew. So for the bildew, I think what I'll do, let me see if I have any bildew stickers. Okay, so I didn't find any bildew stickers that I like, so what I think I'm going to do is take a label from the kit, and I'm going to put, actually, not take one of these labels. I think I'm going to take a little thing, and I think I'm going to take, let's do the darker purple. I'm just going to take one of these, put it down here, right there, and then I'm going to cover it up with one of the TV stickers that she has in here. And let's go for this color. And it'll remind me that I've got Netflix that's coming out. So that takes care of Tuesday. Wednesday, let's see, Wednesday I've got another bill due, and that is going to be for utilities, and I think I'm going to use this label from the kit with the money on it. I'm going to put that down here because that'll remind me that I've got to see how much utilities are. And then I have a nail appointment for Wednesday. So I think I'm just going to take one of these labels. I'll take this little purple label here. The only thing I have to look forward to is that nail appointment for that day. Take that there, and I think I'm going to add a little flag in there just to kind of give it a little bit more oomph. And I'm going to use these flags from Arctic Paper Studio just to put a little bit more here. Put it like this right there in the middle. And I'm going to add a little nail polish bottle. And these are from Magic Prints Co. I'll put that right next to it, I think. And right now, appointment. So there's takes care of that. So that's all I have for Wednesday. Now Thursday. Let's flip over. Let's see. Thursday we have Brooks's art show. So I need a half box for that. And I think I'm going to use this lighter half box. I'm going to put that here. Right there. And then I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add a little heart. These are from Rose Colored Daze. And this is in that purple colorway she has. I'm just going to add this little purple heart from my Brooksy and his art show. And let me write that down before I forget. Brooks art show 527. Okay, and I need to put I need to upload a haul, and so I think I'm going to use, I think I'll use one of these labels. Put that here, and I'm going to add film slate. These are from Magic Prints Co. Put that here to remind me to upload the haul video. Okay, so I don't have anything else for Thursday. Friday is payday, which is huge. So we got a good payday. So let me use, I think I'm going to use one of these labels. I think I'll use this one here. Put that down here. And I'm going to add one of these foiled stickers from Arctic Paper Studio. And they just say payday on it. Because we all love Fridays that are payday. And let's see, oh, and then my Amazon bill is due that day as well. So let me grab another label. And I think what I'm going to use for the Amazon is the little cart, because that is the symbol of the Amazon. At least on my app it is. Let's put that here. There. And that's it for Friday. Boy, this is going really fast. I love it. All right, Saturday. Saturday's kind of a big day. So I think I'm going to put in the middle here a birthday. And it is actually my brother's birthday. And I'm going to use this brighter colored marble here. And I'm going to use these birthday. I think I want to use one of these flags, and these are from Rose Colored Daze. I kind of want to do I think I'm going to kind of put it this way, like that, and then I want to add some balloons from the same sheet, like so, and I'll write my brother's birthday. And let's see, do I have anything else? Oh, Brooks has a soccer game that day. So I'm gonna get a little thing, and we're gonna put that up high on Saturday, since that happens quite early on Saturdays. So I think I'll use this color. I haven't used this color yet. Put that here. And I'm going to use these soccer balls from Little Paper Prints. And I actually find it quite easy to use these little tweezers to put down stickers, especially the smaller ones. Okay, and that's all I have for Saturday. Sunday is just planning, so I think what I'll do is use I'm going to use a squared off label, and I'm going to use a smaller one. So I think I'll use this purple with the marble in it. And I also have one of these are from Arctic Paper Studio, and it just says planning time. There we go. I'll put that right there. And I actually almost forgot Friday. Friday is also trash day. So I'm going to grab another one of these labels, and I'm going to use, let's use a gray one. And let me put that this way so that it's not the same as the one above it. Oh, totally off the page. And I'm going to grab another one of those trash cans from Magic Prints. I'll put it right over that label. It's trash day. And I think that's everything, if I'm not mistaken. So let me go ahead and double check, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm glad I actually went and double checked everything because I was forgetting something. There is a huge sale happening. I think it's the Monthly Planner Madness or the Extreme Planner Collab. One of those two is happening this weekend. I'm going to go look and double check, but I can't because I'm using my phone at the moment. So I'm going to be using this half box from Wild Summer Designs, one of the new ones in the gold. And I think I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to put one of these buy stickers. And these are from Formless Designs to remind me to buy the stickers that I want. There's been a few shops I was looking at, so I'm gonna put that there because that kind of is cute. So I think that is everything. I'm gonna bring out just a little. Okay, so that is what the week looks like. Look at all that foil that is on there. I am loving, loving, loving it. I really, truly am loving all the foil. So it'll get, you know, as the week progresses, I'll start filling more things in and it'll look a little bit more full. I don't think I showed you last week's. This is last week, or the week that I'm actually in now. As you can tell, I did a really bad job of writing down my blood pressure. But I did better on this week, so I really like this week. This is a kit from, I believe this one is from Wild Summer Designs. And this one is from Keytown. So, and I didn't record those just because I just wasn't feeling it. And this was from Blank Slate Stickers. So that's the month of April. I've been keeping up with it, just haven't been recording it. So let me go ahead and show you what I have left. And I have plenty in here other than full boxes. I've got plenty I can do a lot with. So here are all the headers, all of the Ombre Heart checklist. I just have one of the full boxes left, a little bit of the washi, most of the functional sheet, most of the little things, and most of the labels that were in there. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I really did like putting it together. I love how it all came out with all the purple, and once it all gets filled in, I think it'll look a lot better. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.